Welcome! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to hide the count of unread messages on the Telegram app on your PC. If those numbers feel distracting or you just prefer a cleaner look, this new update makes it super easy to turn them off. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once you're inside the app, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From the menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you to the area where you can customize how Telegram works for you. Now, inside Settings, scroll down a bit until you see the option called Advanced. Click on it to open more detailed settings. Here's where the new update comes in. Look for the option labeled Total Unread Count. By default, this setting is usually turned on, which is why you see the total number of unread messages across all your chats. To hide that number, simply uncheck the box next to Total Unread Count. And that's